And we're going to perform what's called a linear search in a one-dimensional array. So here I have an array starting at element 0, the pink one here, 1, 2, and element 3. So this is an array of size 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. And in order to do a search, I would say here's an array, and I would give a value, a parameter. Search for this value. And so what we do is inside the search we set up a loop, a for loop, with a counter. And we will start at element 0, and we're going to move all the way up through the array. And at each value we're going to compare the parameter with the value in the array to see if they're equal. So if I was searching for this value, pink, I would find immediately, the very first time through the loop, that the values matched, and I would return the number 0, the position in which I found that pink element. Now if instead I had searched for this value, then the first time through, when the counter is 0, looking at element 0, I can see that these do not match, and so I continue to the next element in the array. So we're looking at element number 1. They still don't match. They're both blue, but they're different colors of blue. I go to element 2. That's 0, 1, 2. Here's element 2. That's the one that matches, and so I would return the value 2. If I was searching for this value, 0 doesn't match. Second time through the loop, 1, it does match, and so I would return the value 1. Now there is another one down here that is the same value, but in a linear search you just start at one end and keep going until you find the first value that matches. So this would return the value 1. And this one, if I was to search for this, there's 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I've reached the end of my array, which has size 4, and I haven't found the value that I want. And so by convention we typically return the value -1. That's still a number, but since it's not a valid number for the size of the array, that's an indicator that this value could not be found in the array. And that's how we do a linear search in a one-dimensional array.